Hi, my name is Davina Wakelin and I have been a host for international students for the last 12 years. And one of the things that I really enjoy about hosting is getting to know the students and also their culture and the countries that they come from and just the whole experience. I started hosting because I had 2 spare bedrooms once the children left home, and my neighbour did it and she said it's really good fun, and I thought actually that does sound quite exciting, and it's really good to have the students in the house and have a bit of life in there again. Okay, so the skills that you need to be a host, definitely patience, sense of humour, have a good ear for listening, because sometimes the students become a little bit homesick, so you have to be very understanding that these children are here from a very long way away and they may not see their families for 7 or 8 months, and you are actually their family in England. My current students, I have a Chinese and I have an Italian, and the students are lovely. They are really good fun, and we're very fortunate their use of English is quite good. And yeah, we just have a really, really nice time. We're actually having a girly night on Friday where we're going to be doing the hot tub and nails, making pizza. Yeah, the college have supported me really, really well. Sarah and the team are amazing. If there's any problems there, you can phone them, you can email them, they're straight there and they'll try and help you. And you're not on your own. You must never think because you're hosting students you're on your own. You're absolutely not. The college is always there for you.